German vocabulary, full course for a 1, following Schritte, plus a 1.1 book. Complete in just 14 days. Learn German with Shakiru. Why do we choose Schritte Plus A 1.1 book? Schritte Plus is one of the best books for German A1 learners because it offers step-by-step learning, a gradual introduction to grammar and vocabulary, real-life scenarios, focus on everyday communication, balanced skill development, covers listening, reading, writing, and speaking. If you are a German A1 level student, this video is for you. We will explain all the essential words needed for the A1 course, along with their English and Bangla meanings, plus example sentences for better understanding. Our 3-step learning process, word meaning and pronunciation. Learn the meaning of each important German word. German-English-Bangla with correct pronunciation. Lesson-based quiz. A fun quiz after learning so you can practice the new words effectively. Story-based learning. Engaging stories using the learned words to develop your vocabulary, reading, writing, and listening skills. By watching this video, your vocabulary will become stronger. You will improve in hören, listening, and lesen, reading. Your A1 exam preparation will become much easier. So, let's get started. Welcome to your German learning journey. In this course, we'll start with the German alphabet and learn how to pronounce each letter correctly. Then, we'll move on to German greetings so you can introduce yourself confidently. Next, we'll cover German numbers, an essential part of everyday conversations. Get ready to learn step by step. Let's begin. German alphabet. A, B, B, C, T, D, D, E, A, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, soft throat roll, S, T, U, O, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, Ö, U, Say, Eset or sharp S.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Thank you for watching. We hope this lesson helped you learn new German words and improve your vocabulary, pronunciation, and listening skills. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more German learning content. Also, let us know in the comments which words or topics you want to learn next. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and see you in the next lesson. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.